What a crazy week it has been for crypto. Welcome to Crack Crypto with Namika, and we are going to tell you one thing which you should know if you do crypto, and that is yes, we are officially in the bear market no matter what social media is telling you. Social media is still 50% bullish and 50% bearish, and people have no idea what is going on. But what I feel is going on is a lot of cognitive dissonance. There have been so many of longs liquidated in the last 4 days, as well as a lot of losses which people are already in because they bought up higher. But that doesn't change the fact what the charts are telling us, because technically there are so many clear indications that we are in bear market and a big dump is going to come in the next few days to a week or 2 weeks from now. Now let's talk about what is already happening in the market. We are recording this on 22nd January because this context is very important to understand why the price is behaving the way that it is. Right now, we are in a phase astrologically where Neptune and Saturn are preparing to enter Aries in Bitcoin's chart. Whenever slow moving planets like Saturn and Neptune start shifting signs, the days leading to that become very intense, very chaotic, and unstable. And this intensity is especially amplified because we are also moving closer to February 17, which is the eclipse. So, a lot of transformative planets have entered into Bitcoin's charts. In the days leading up to the eclipse, market usually don't move slowly. Instead, we see high volatility spike, very sharp fast movements, fake outs, and sudden pumps and dumps in the market, which we have seen so many times in the last few days. And there is going to be narrative driven moves like hype, rumor, news are going to move the price more than the fundamentals. And weak hands are going to get shaken out. The key levels are going to be tested very aggressively in such a market. If we look specifically at Bitcoin's charts, specifically Mars Neptune midpoint line for Bitcoin is at 26 degrees 36 minutes in Capricorn. This midpoint line typically makes the market go negative or unstable as well. It creates confusion, exhaustion, and sudden loss of momentum in the market. Historically, during a new moon, we have observed that the local peak for Bitcoin is reached around the same date when the new moon comes, and then the market dumps completely. That is also what we noticed on 18th, 9th, or the early hours of 19th around 1 or 3 a.m. That is when Solana was at 142 or 144, and Bitcoin was trading around 95 or $97,000, which is very close to the local peak. And on that particular day, as soon as the new moon came, the market saw a big shift, dumping $5,000 in the single day for Bitcoin, and around, I would say, $10 for Solana. Now, what we saw in January is not random at all. This is a classic pre eclipse, pre major shift phase, which is volatile, emotion, and most of all, deceptive. Now, the markets have been telling us clearly that there is going to be a downward movement. And we have been seeing that as well. A lot of news about the tariffs have been moving the markets quite negatively. And just yesterday, on the 21st, when Trump removed the tariffs from European Union, the market moved up a little bit, Bitcoin touching the 90s again. But I also feel that it is still a short term trend. I do not feel the market is going to go back to a high that is breaking the local peak, which we saw on around 12 p.m. 19th of January, 12 to 3 a.m. 19th of January is when we saw the local peak. I don't think Bitcoin is going to break that again. While it may move, there is some possibility, technically as well as astrologically, that the next few days for the 26th, there could be volatility and it would move around the same price. Not a lot of negative dumps. The all over wild vibe is quite negative for the market, but I expect the market to keep going sideways, possibly first having a big dump again, in a few days, and then a possible surge, which is short term, and then a huge dump again. This is what I'm looking at.